How to hide transactions on Cash App. Here are a few things you can do to manage transaction privacy. Open Cash App. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Privacy and Security. Toggle on any privacy settings related to who can find or contact you, or require PIN confirmation for payments. If you're worried about others seeing your transactions on your device, turn off Cash App notifications. Go to your phone's notification settings and disable notifications for the Cash App. If you're concerned about sensitive transactions being stored, you can delete your Cash App account. However, this will remove all transaction history permanently, and you won't be able to use the app again with that account. If you need further help or have concerns about your transaction privacy, contact Cash App support directly through the app. Thanks for watching.